Thunder thighs would be the last thing that any woman would ever want. When it comes to men, even they want their legs and thighs sculpted and well-toned. But as it may seem, losing that stubborn thigh fat is not that easy. Along with your fitness regime, you ought to do certain exercises that focus on losing thigh fat. We show you a few effective exercises that will help in toning and sculpting your thighs. 1. Watch your salt intake. Salt makes your body retain excess water, and that causes bloat that can affect your whole body, hips and thighs included. 2. Lunges. Lunges are the perfect workout for your inner thighs. Doing it 10 times every day can help you lose thigh fat in a week to some extent. They also take care of the gluteal muscles and help shed a few extra pounds from your buttocks. 3. Add more electrolytes into your diet. You've seen them in sports drinks, but electrolytes like calcium, magnesium, and potassium are plentiful in many healthy foods that might already be in your diet. All of them, and potassium, in particular, compete with salt. The more electrolytes that you have, the less salt your body will retain, says Moskovitz. Quote, "It helps keep the fluid balance stable, so your body flushes out water retention." 4. Reverse plank. One of the most effective movements to lose thigh fat is reverse plank. Look up to the ceiling, point your toes by keeping your arms and legs straight. Keep your entire body strong and form a straight line from head to toe. Squeeze your core and try to pull your belly button back toward your spine. If your hips sag or drop, lower yourself back to the floor. 5. Eat more fiber and protein. Pack every meal with fiber and protein to boost weight loss, since both macronutrients help keep you fuller on fewer calories. Protein, in particular, is essential for building the lean muscle that will make your legs look great. 6. Running. Running also focuses on overall body movement. Hence, if you want to lose your thigh fat, run for 30 to 40 minutes a day. If you are a beginner, start with brisk walking and then progress to running. 7. Air cycling. This is an effective way to reduce thigh fat and get thinner thighs fast. Do it 5 times on each side for 1 minute. Air cycling also takes care of your pelvic and knee joints. Hope you now have a clear idea on what you need to do to lose thigh fat fast. It is a bit tough but not impossible. Follow the expert's advice, follow the procedure, eat right, and you will see a difference in weeks' time. Cheers! Thanks for watching. If this helps you, click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more daily health living videos.